the best part of my performance, they've junked it. Then I say, ये क्यों काटा? मैम वो टाइम नहीं था, तो मैंने कहा कुछ किसी और का कुछ और काट देते, ये काटने की क्या जरूरत थी. I love uniforms. I feel a uniform gives you a sense of something larger than life. I don't predict my career, so I've never known what would come my way. Like I didn't know Kiran Sekho will happen either.
वेल सीजन 2 काफी सारी कहानियां और काफी सारे राज के साथ आता है और फैंस एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं योर हॉनर से कि वो क्या नया लेकर आने वाला है, लेकिन कुछ ऐसा है जो बहुत सिमिलर होने वाला है बट विद अ डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट टू इट. वेल आई हैव विद मी टुडे मीता वशिर. वेल मैम, फर्स्टली वेलकम टू टेली चक्कर. प्लेजर हैविंग यू हियर विद मी. Well, I would say, सीजन 1 के बाद सीजन 2 एक्सपेक्टेशंस एक नॉच हायर हो चुकी हैं एंड आई एम श्योर आपके कैरेक्टर से भी एक उम्मीद थोड़ी ज्यादा बढ़ चुकी होगी. तो ऐसा क्या था that when you got to know about season 1 going into season 2, you were expecting a lot out of your character. What was the difference that you saw in your character?
The character is the same, only she's not as she's now a disillusioned person, because not a disillusioned, but she's come to a different reality check vis-a-vis the powers that be. So there's nothing very different about her, but I think it's the situations that now she deals with are different from obviously the situations in season 1, where in season 1 she was trying to figure out Bishan Khosla and who he is. In season 2 she joins back on to her duty because she's asked to join back, but she joins back with with certain terms and conditions in place. So basically that's what it is. I really don't know how it plays out because I don't know the other tracks, how they're happening and what is their trajectory. I have interactions, some very interesting scenes with Mahi Gill and with Jimmy Shergill as Bishan. But how the entire season is going to work out is something the makers know. And also watch it and get to know.
Well, in that regards, मैम मैं कहती हूँ आपने आज से जितने भी किरदार निभाए हैं वो ये नहीं कहूँगी कि बहुत अलग हैं बट बहुत सिमिलर भी नहीं है, क्योंकि हर किरदार में कुछ अलग एस्पेक्ट रहा है. So will it be right to say that you have wanted to try all the aspects and still will you be able to say कि आप अपना ड्रीम रोल निभा चुकी हैं, seeing how much you have worked?
No, I think I've done some amazing roles and those continue to be my dream roles. I don't predict my career, so I've never known what would come my way. Like I didn't know Kiran Sekho will happen either. Now the thing is that I try to do things differently. Sometimes a certain actor will do every role in the same way. So if there is no label to say this is this film, you don't know which film they're in actually, which happens with certain actresses and some actors. But what I try to do is to make sure that you don't need to see the label of the film or the particular role to know which role it is. You should know that it's different because it is different.
कोई ऐसा रोल था जो आपको पर्सनली जब ऑफर हुआ था you were like okay, this is a little tricky but I will ace it, and then you did ace that role?
I find all my roles tricky in the beginning because I know that I am standing at the edge of an ocean in which when I dive I will come across different layers and I don't know at the moment what those layers will be. So at the best what I can do is to make sure my diving muscles are in good shape.
Okay, in that regards, I'm seeing how you are in that uniform and it looks beautiful. But then, ऐसा कुछ था because it's not an easy task to be in a uniform. It holds a lot of responsibilities. So, did you get to meet somebody from the life or to get to know somebody's life who actually has been there on field? जिसने ऐसे life जी है, like a police officer, a woman police officer. Did you follow somebody in that regards?
No, my father was in the army.
Oh.
And I've seen the uniform from the time I was born.
Wow.
And my father fought all the 3 wars. He fought 62, the Chinese war, he fought 65, the Pakistan war, and he fought the 71 Pakistan war again.
Wow.
He was on the front on all 3 times. So as a kid, I have lived the life of having a father in uniform.
Wow.
Who has also been to all the 3 wars.
That is quite the one. But then जब आपने खुद uniform पहनी, if not that uniform, but then a police officer uniform.
I love uniforms. I love uniforms. I feel a uniform gives you a sense of something larger than life. It gives you a sense of commitment to something larger than your own small world. It connects you to a larger community, which is your nation. That's why I love the uniform.
In that regards, Pulkit was here and he was talking about how his character grew and how the character changed, the graph changed, and he was like that Meeta ma'am helped me a lot. She gave me such insights about my character that maybe others did not. How was it working with him?
Pulkit is a lovely person. I feel very protective about him because there's a certain honesty to him which is beautiful. You know, he is keen to be a great actor, he's keen to be a star, and at the same time, he has the humility of someone who knows that he has to learn things, he has to work towards things, and he's not shy of doing that. And I always I feel very. I think first of all, he's a beautiful looking boy, you know, and that beauty is also of his spirit, not just the physicality of him. And I feel very protective about him for some reason. Maybe because of the vulnerability he has. It's very sweet of him to say I helped him. I don't know how I did, but I must have. I mean, we were supposed to do some teaching sessions. I only did one and then got busy, and then we were talking over the phone. But I have a lot of, sort of sense of, I don't know how to say it.
A protective layer over him as well.
Not just protective, but I also have a lot of regard and respect for the kind of person he is.
Okay. In that regards, I would love to know, would you like to tag yourself as a huge critic, or you do not criticize your work and you just, what is it?
Terrible critic. I'm so hard on myself that I sometimes have to talk to myself and say, just be kind to yourself. I have to sometimes write down compliments that people give me so that when I'm critiquing myself, I read those compliments.
Are you serious?
Yeah. I'm so quick to say, oh, this could have been better, this could have been this. So I actually now write down compliments that people give me so that I can refer back to them and say, that's what these people have said about you. They didn't know you, they just saw your work. So please be a little kind to yourself.
But do you see your work, or you don't like watching your work? What is it like?
I like watching my work. I love watching my work. I don't even mind watching every new wrinkle that comes on my face on screen.
Wow.
In that sense, yeah, I pretty much love everything. I don't say, oh shit, idhar Botox kara lu, idhar wo kara lu. I just say, okay, it's going with the character. It's fine, you know, it doesn't matter. So I love all of that. But the fact is that sometimes I don't watch my work because I get annoyed and say, I had done such a beautiful moment, they've cut it before that. The best part of my performance, they've junked it. Then I say, ये क्यों काटा? मैम वो टाइम नहीं था, तो मैंने कहा किसी और का कुछ और काट देते, ये काटने की क्या जरूरत थी? You know, that's the only reason I don't watch sometimes.
Okay, but in that regards, now that we have seen this character, we've seen multiple of characters, we've seen variety of roles that you have played. What can the fans expect from you now? Because it seems like you still have a lot of roles to play, a lot of stories to tell. What can they expect?
I think they will always expect the best from me no matter what I do. I'm the one who's hoping that people actually really write something that will make me feel, yes, that's it. Which is one of the reasons that I'm now looking towards getting back to the theatre, just to do the roles that I really feel will pull out everything that I want to do, you know.
I would love to know what can the fans expect out of the series, because obviously season 1 के बाद season 2 में काफी कुछ बदला है और काफी कुछ similar भी है, and they're expecting a lot. So what can they expect out of Your Honor now?
I hope they are pleasantly surprised. That's what I hope. I really hope you all enjoy Your Honor season 2 a lot, and please do watch it. Thank you.
Well, it was a pleasure having you, Meeta ji, on Telly Chakkar, and it was me, Vishakha Pandit, signing off from Telly Chakkar with camera person Amit Singh.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.